Online students will start in few minutes. Okay, in the last session, we have discussed about the operators. In the operators, we have seen about assignment operator and arithmetic assignment and increment and decrement operators. And we have just started what? Conditional operator. I told one example and we have discussed about even and odd. I think I told you to do. Online students, have you done it? After that, I have just told also. See, all of you, see, this is the number we have taken. And I told you to, okay, it's not coming. I told you to find out whether that is even or odd. Okay, see here. Consider any number when you are considering here to tell whether the number is even or odd. When a number becomes even, if it is divisible by 2. When you are dividing by 2 and if you get the remainder 0, then it is called as what? Even number. Else it is what? Odd number, right? So now how we are checking? So you are getting the result in a format of group of characters. So you want the result to be stored in what? String type. Okay, manakoche result ఏ type లో ఉంది? నెంబరా, క్యారెక్టరా, ఫ్లోటా, డబల్ అనేది చూసుకోవాలి. గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అందుకని మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? స్ట్రింగ్. So we took string res because the output is of type what? Group of characters. So res is equal to num%2 we are doing. If it is equal to 0, then it is even number. Else it is odd number. So that's why when we'll get true value, immediately whatever you write after the question mark is considered as your output. If the condition is false, after the colon, whatever it is there, that is considered as your output. Yes. So now if it is equal to 0, result will be stored with what? Even. Else the result will be stored as what? Odd. Clear, everyone? So this is what I gave you. Few people have done. Just for the online students, I have repeated once again. Okay, everyone? Now, let us check with other operators today. Okay, now we have some operators like logical operators. What are they? Logical operators. Logical operators are something like and, or, and then what? Not. So when we use the and operator, when both or all the conditions are true, then only the result is true. If you go for an interview to get the job, written test, గ్రూప్ డిస్కషన్, టెక్నికల్ రౌండ్ ఇట్లా అన్నీ పాస్ అయితేనే కదా మీకు జాబ్ ఇస్తారు. అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఏ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేయాలి? అండ్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆపరేటర్ షుడ్ బి యూజ్డ్ వెన్ యూ రిక్వైర్ ద అవుట్పుట్ లైక్ if all conditions are true, then only the result will be true. And what about or operator? If any one condition is true, then only the result will be true. Then we can use what? Or. Suppose you are applying for a job. They gave the qualification can be EEE, ECE or mechanical. Any type of engineering also you can apply for the job. At that case, what you will use? Or operator. Understood? So not is exactly opposite. True means false. False means true. That is not operator. Okay. So now how you will consider is, let us say A, B, and A and B, and A or B. Like this if you write. Suppose here we wrote the conditions both are false. Both the conditions are what? False. Then what will be here? result false. For or also false. At least one should be true. So first one is false and the second one is like true. Now what will be the answer? False. Endukani? For and both should be true. So here, what is answer? True. Endukani? In OR operator, okati true aina, any one condition is true, result is true. First is true, second is false. For and still false only. Endukani anni true avvali. Here true. When both are true, then the result is what? True. In both the cases. Ardhamautunda? So this is how we have to write. And or. Clear everyone? So for and operator, all should be true, then only the result will be true. For or, any one is true also, result true. ఒకవేళ ఏ ఒక్కటి ఫాల్స్ అయినా ఖచ్చితంగా రెండు ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ అయితేనే మనకి రిజల్ట్ ట్రూ వస్తుంది ఎండ్కి. ఓకే, దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ని మనం కండిషనల్ ఆపరేటర్ తో క్లబ్ చేయొచ్చు. వీ కెన్ యూజ్ దిస్ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఇన్ వాట్? కండిషనల్ ఆపరేటర్. In the last example, we have seen like greatest of two numbers, I think so. We have seen one example using the conditional operator. I'll just show this. In the last session, we have seen like in the conditional operator, A, B, if A is greater than B, A will store in C. Otherwise, B will store. Suppose there is the variable D also we took for the result. Okay, so like for the smallest. For as of now, I'll remove that smallest. Now, let us say C is also there with some variable, some value. Ippudu greatest of three numbers will be stored in D. Okay, so ippudu condition etla rayali? How we have to write? A greater than B and A greater than C. Avuna? Should we write like that? Eppudu A greater antam three people unte. Suppose we three are there. I'm A. A when I will be great if I greater than B as well as C. If I'm less than any one of them, I will not be what? Greatest, right? So question mark to. If it is, then you will get what? A. Suppose I got less than anyone or both. I am not greatest. Then how I have to compare? I cannot directly tell B is great or I cannot directly tell C is great. No. Everanna avvachu. B, C lo everanna great avvachu. So how I should compare that? Again here, you will write the condition B greater than C. Okay. If the condition is true, A will print directly. Okavela condition false aite, I cannot immediately tell the answer if the condition fails. I have to still check because there are two variables B and C. If it is a single variable, directly I can tell B is great. But B, C are there. Again, I have to check. So if B is greater than C, then what? You will be writing here one more question mark. If this is true, you will print what? B. Else what? C. So let us put this here in the bracket just to avoid the confusion. So if the condition, whatever we wrote before the question mark, if this is true, immediately A is printing. Otherwise, again we are checking one more condition here. You can see like a B greater than what? C. If this is true, then what will be coming to the output? B. If this is fail, then what will come to the output? C. Means in one condition, again we are writing one more condition. So, mana basics scenario of conditional change avaledu. Condition true aithe question mark tarvatade execute avutundi. Condition false aithe కాలన్ తర్వాతదే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. కాలన్ తర్వాత మనం మళ్ళీ కండిషన్ చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే. ఓకే, సో ఇలా ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నా రాసుకుంటూ పెంచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear? Just in between, I explained the same thing in Telugu. Nothing different. So if any people don't know Telugu, don't worry. Okay, clear everyone? So this is greatest of three numbers using what? Conditional and logical operators. Clear all? If you want, you can directly write A and B, A or B, A, like that also you can just mention. But just, this is using conditional operator. Okay, all of you please, if you want, you can just note down just that line so that you will know how to write when there are more numbers. So if four variables are there, how you will do? Suppose D is there, one more variable. Great, I'm just writing. D also you are storing some value. D is equal to some 99. Now how you will write logic? A greater than B, C and A greater than D. Antena? So then only A I am comparing with all. Once it fails, A is not great. Don't worry about A. Ma'am, again should I compare B greater than A? Not required. If it fails means A is not greatest, it is out of race. Okay. You have to check with what? B with C and D. Now, how to check now? ఇప్పుడు ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే ఏ గ్రేట్ అని వస్తుంది, ఫైన్ బానే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ బీసీని చెక్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుందా? డి కూడా చెక్ చేయాలి కదా. సో అప్పుడు ఎలా రాస్తాం? బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సి అండ్ బి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ డి, అంతే కదా. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ గ్రేట్? బి ఈస్ గ్రేట్. ఇఫ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఫెయిల్స్ అగైన్ సి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ డి అయితే గనక you will be writing in question mark C colon D. Okay, ఇలా పెంచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళడమే. Clear? Now I'm going to execute this. 56. Okay, I have to just okay, I have to print not C. Great. Variable name. ఎందులో ఉంది value? Great లో ఉంది. So here 99 is greatest. Okay, like this we can use the conditional and logical operators together. Now, let us see another operator, that is bitwise operator. What is that? Bitwise. It is similar to the conditional operator, like, when you are checking with logical operators. So, and, or, XOR. Mainly we have three bitwise operators. So let us see. You have to concentrate the process of bitwise operators, everyone. Please check carefully, everyone. ఈ లైన్ అర్థమైందా? ఎవరికైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉందా? Online students, you also. Did you understand the logic? I wrote multiple ఎక్కువ variables తీసుకున్నాను కదా. If anyone has some doubt, please let me know. At least at the end of the session. Okay. Now, next operators are bitwise operators. So mainly in the bitwise operators, we have like AND, OR, and then what? XOR. AND, OR, and XOR. So now, what is the difference between AND, OR, and XOR? Ela undante, we will just see now. Let us, okay, I will be writing the same thing here just to make you understand. A and B, A or B, and one more what we have to write, A. XOR is this cap symbol that we get here, and then what? B. So here, when we will get true value in the XOR? Anyone know? AND lo, if everything is true, result is true. OR lo, anyone true also, result is true. But if both are true also, result is true, no? But in this scenario, you see here, these two are zeros and here you get 1. That means what? ఏదన్నా ఒక్కటి మాత్రమే ట్రూ అవ్వాలి, అన్ని ట్రూ అవ్వకూడదు, అన్ని ఫాల్స్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఓకే, సో లైక్ హియర్ when the XOR will give you true, because it should have the combination of true and false. So all should not be false and all should not be true. అన్ని ట్రూ అయినా ఫాల్సే, అన్ని ఫాల్స్ అయినా ఫాల్సే. ఏదన్నా ఒకటి ట్రూ ఒకటి ఫాల్స్ అవ్వండాలి. ఆ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంటేనే రిజల్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? ట్రూ అవుతుంది. Got it? So that is what operator? XOR operator. Clear? So here to perform this operation, because we are having single AND, single OR and all, we have to do the conversion here. What we have to do? Conversion. So generally when we write a number 25, this is like a decimal point of number. Okay. You have to convert this number into binary number. What number? Binary number. Okay. So, and then again find out the AND operation and then convert it to the decimal. అంటే వన్స్ జీరోస్ ఉంటేనే మనం AND or operation perform చేయగలం. So we have to first convert the decimal into binary and then perform the AND operation. For the result again you have to reconvert to decimal back. So I'll show that process everyone. Observe carefully all of you. I think I have shared for the document also. Those who enrolled, the documents are already getting shared. You can just see the process here. Suppose there is a number 100. You have to convert this into what? Binary format. How to convert? You have to divide it by what? 2. You have to consider the remainder, modulus. 250 is 100. What is the remainder? 0. 225 is 50. 0. 2 12s are 24. 1. 2 6 are 12. 0. 3s are 6. 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. Ma'am, entavaraku ila cheyali till you get either 1 or 0. You have to do it till you get 1 or 0. And how you have to take the number from bottom to top? Ila raikuddu 0 0 1 0 0. You have to start writing from 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Got it? So we will consider this as a 8-bit. How many bits? 8-bit. So when you get the answer as let us say 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. ఎన్ని బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం? 7 ఉన్నాయి. కానీ మనం 8-bit గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాం. అందుకని రిమైనింగ్ ప్లేస్ షుడ్ బి ఫిల్డ్ విత్ వాట్? 0. కానీ లెఫ్ట్ సైడా రైట్ సైడా అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంక్లూడ్ టు ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఎందుకనంటే ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ టు ద రైట్ సైడ్ ద వాల్యూ చేంజెస్. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల we will not change the result value. So you have to add 0 to the left side. Clear, everyone? Same thing, ma'am. Okay, now you have found out for 25, maybe 100. After this, you will consider for one more number and you may get something like this. For this, you will be performing the AND operation. You will get some number. AND operation చేసినప్పుడు what you will get? When you get all, both are ones only, you will be getting what? 1. ఇది value. For printing this as output, again this has to be considered to what? Decimal. So how you will convert? We have divided it by 2. Then we got the output. Again you have to multiply with what? 2 only. Ela ante I'll be showing you through the picture. See here how you will again reverse convert it. Suppose you got all ones as your output. Remaining places are zeros before. 2 power 0 into 1. 2 power 1 into 1. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ 1 0 1 1 ఉందనుకోండి 2 స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 0. ఒకవేళ 0 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఓకే 2 పవర్ 2 ఇంటూ 1 నౌ 2 క్యూబ్ ఇంటూ 1. ఈ వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ అన్ని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది 50. ఓకే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా we need not do, machine will do it. You will just write system.out.println A and B. It will only convert into binary. Again, it will find AND operation and again it will give you what? Decimal value. But you should know this process because as a fresher, they may give you some MCQ question or when you go for an interview, they may ask you to solve this. Then you have to know this process. Okay. So this is how we convert from decimal to binary and binary to decimal in the format. Okay. So if the 17 or is the number, how you will convert to binary? 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Like that you are getting. So 1 0 0 1. This is the number. But before it is filled with what? Zeros. So ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనం if you want you check now how we will convert 2 power 0 into 1 1 2 power 0 into 1 you see here 2 power 0 into 1 how much 1 for the 17 2 power 1 2 square 2 cube 2 power 4 how much 16 16 plus 1 17 correct like that. So 2 power 0 into 1 is 1 and 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, zeros only. So 2 power 4 is 16, correct no? 2 square, 2 cube, 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17, correct only? Yes. So you have to perform AND, XOR or anything and then you have to again convert into decimal to binary or binary to decimal. Clear everyone? Okay, if you want just note on this and reverse operation also so that it will help you. I shared this document already. Those who enrolled, they might have got it. Once check. I shared in the mail ID to the Google Drive. From day one, whatever I have been covering, I share. Those who enrolled, they will be adding to the group and they will share the link to you. I'll show you. Because if anyone have, they might have gone through the notes and documents, no? So I have shared it. So till operators, whatever we discussed, I have shared with examples and notes also. From day one, whatever features, data types, introduction, installing process. Those who are, anyone missed the beginning sessions, the installation process with screenshots is there. So you can just go through everything. Those who still did not do anything, they can just try the process of installation and setting the path also. Okay. And along with that, text to document also I'll be sharing so that you can go everyday notes also. Clear? Okay. So now let us see practically about this question, how we are going to do. So let us create one class here. Right click on this and say new and then what? Class. Here I'm going to write like what? Bitwise. And let us say public static void main and then click on finish. Now let us say int a comma b. I'm just writing here. And now a is equal to some 25 and b is equal to some 70. Now I'm writing system.out.println. What is the value of a and b? What is that? A and b. Okay. So now again system.out.println a or b. And then system.out.println a XOR b. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ దీని వాల్యూస్ చెప్పండి నాకు. A 25 B 17. సో 25 ని బైనరీ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే ఎంత, 70 ని కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 17 ఆల్రెడీ చూసాం కదా, 0 zeros ఐ థింక్ 1 00 000 1. ఇది 17 కి. ఓకే, 25 కి ఎంత వస్తుందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఓకే జస్ట్ మేక్ ఏ నోట్ అండ్ టెల్ ఆల్ ఆన్సర్స్. అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ ఏ అండ్ బికి ఆర్ బికి ఎక్స్ఆర్ బికి ఎంత వస్తుందో జస్ట్ నోట్ డౌన్ అండ్ కీప్ ఇట్ రెడీ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీరు కూడా the process of conversion is this. You have to use this process to convert for 25 also. Use this process to convert 25 to the by ilage veskondi 25. Okay. A and B, A XOR B, A or B మూడు ఆపరేషన్స్ చేసి ఆన్సర్స్ నోట్ చేయండి. Did you convert anyone? Convert చేశారా? Okay, what is for 25? 1 1 0 0 1. So 2 power 0, how much we'll get here? 1. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 square. 2 cube is how much? 8. 2 power 4 is 16. Okay, 25, correct. Okay, we got 25, yes. Now, when we perform the AND operation, okay, for this, when we are performing the AND operation, so let us say what will be the output here for the AND. So first we are doing the AND. So what is the answer here? 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So what is the answer here when we perform A and B? 2 power 0 is 1 plus 2 power 1 2 square 2 cube 16 17. We got again what? 17. Okay. Next, when we perform the OR operation, what we have done? OR. So OR చేసినప్పుడు what will be the answer here? 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So now what will be the answer? 1 plus 2 power 1 2 square 2 cube is 8 plus 16. How much? 25. Okay. Now XOR. So next we are performing what? XOR. So many people have done. I will also just check their answers also. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Then what is the answer? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. How much we got? 8. So what are the answers here? We got A and B means 17. Or B means 25. X or B means how much? 8. Correct? So let us check our answers. Many people have shared. Let me check their answers. Okay, like, okay, you have given the codes 1101. Okay, let us check the answers. ఎవరైనా చేసిన వాళ్ళకి డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చినాయా చూద్దాం. 17, 25, 8 కరెక్టేనా? ఎనీవన్ ఎవరికన్నా అర్థం కాని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? అర్థమైందా అండి? అర్థం కాలేదా? ఈ కన్వర్షన్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఈ కన్వర్షన్ అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, సో ఏది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ గా ఉంది? ఏదన్నా ఎనీ నెంబర్ యూ టేక్ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు, మీరు పేపర్ మీద రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది నేను బోర్డు మీద రాశానంటే నాకు ఈజీ రాయటం, సిస్టమ్ మీద ఈ గీతలు గీయలేను కదా, అందుకని మీకు ఒక పిక్చర్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి పెట్టాను అనమాట. సో మీరు చెయ్యాలనుకుంటే పేపర్ మీద చెయ్యాలి. 25 వేసుకొని ఇట్లా ఒక్కొక్కటి రాస్తూ ఉండాలి. లాస్ట్కి వచ్చిందని ఇలా రాసుకొని 8 ప్లేసెస్ ఫిల్ అయిపోతే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్స్ ఏం యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి? జీరోస్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అట్లా రెండింటికి చేయమన్నాను. చేసినప్పుడు ఇవి ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఎండ్ అంటే ఏంటి? 2 ట్రూ అయితేనే ట్రూ. అవి చేస్తే చెప్పాను అనమాట. ఓకే, ఒకసారి క్లాస్ తర్వాత మీకు ఈ లాజిక్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎనీ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్? డిడ్ యూ ఆల్ అండర్స్టాండ్? రమ్య, మనూష, మౌనిక, నిశాంత్, సయ్యద్, పవన్, శ్రీనాథ్, శ్యామ్. Is it clear, everyone? You can just show the thumbs up symbol if you understood, or you can reply through the message so that I will know. Okay, clear? Yeah. So these are what operators? Bitwise operators. So like we have seen about like the different operators in Java, like we have seen, we have discussed the operators like arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, increment and decrement, conditional. All these operators we have seen. In the relational operators, we have used in conditional, but we can specifically write one example on the relational operators also. Okay, before that, if anyone want to note, just you can make a note of the example. So today also they gave the same link. All of you try to enroll tomorrow by tomorrow class. They might change the link also. So try to do it by tomorrow, everyone. Okay, 2 more numbers I'll be giving. Just try everyone. Like int m is equal to like 48. And int, I'll give otherwise less number 15. And int n is equal to, okay, I'm giving like 24. Okay, same thing. You try for this. Online and offline students, same thing. M and N, M or N and M XOR N. I'll just check whether you are doing properly or not. All of you. 1524. 15 and 24 ki all operations. So those who did not, first ఈ pattern లో రాసుకోండి. ఏం రాస్తారు? 15 రాసి 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. Okay, you can just write here one line and then you have to divide by what? 2. 2 ఎన్నిసార్లు డివైడ్ అవుతుంది? 2 sevens 14. రిమైండర్ ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి? 1. అట్లా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. ఓకేనా? ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చెప్పండి నాకు. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఇలాగే మీరు పేపర్ మీద గీసుకోండి, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. 14, 15 అని తీసుకొని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. ఇది నెంబర్స్ 15, 24. ఫస్ట్ 15 కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద బైనరీ ఫార్మాట్ and then for 24 find out the binary format and then do this. సిస్టమ్ లో మనకు ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి, మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేసి రాయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే, టూ సెవెన్స్ 14, రిమైండర్ 1. 2 3s 6, remainder 1. 2 1s 1, remainder 1. So 1 1. 4 1s ముందు 4 zeros వస్తాయి. ఓకే, అది అట్లా. For 24, how much we got? Ramya. Okay, Sham, Syed. For 24, how much we got? 11 000. Okay, I think now it is easy to get the result. మళ్ళీ వచ్చిన దాన్ని డెసిమల్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ఆర్ చేశాక డెసిమల్ కి ఇలా ఏదన్నా ఒక నెంబర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఎస్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీకన్వర్ట్ దట్ టు డెసిమల్ అగైన్. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీవన్. 2 power 0. 2 power 0 తో 1, you multiply 1, you will get what? 1. So 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 cube, you have to find out. Clear? Just tell me the answers of this. This is the process of conversion. 8 31 23. 8 31 23 it seems. Okay, let us check. Okay, you people are new students. New. Have you gone through the demo? Now only you just came. Okay, fine. For the demo class you came. Okay. Okay, well, a few 3-4 sessions have been completed. Today after the class you go through the recordings once, so that basic things only has just happened. So if you are having any questions tomorrow, if you come little early by 10:30 or something, I can just explain you whatever if you don't understand, because your class starts at 11, right? So if you come half an hour before, so I can explain you. Okay. So you all are from computer background or triple E, EC? ఓకే. కొంచెం జావా ఐడియా ఉందా అయితే? కొంచెం. అంటే బేసిక్ ఎలా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాయాలి, డేటా టైప్స్ ఏంటి, ఆపరేటర్స్ ఏంటి, కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉంటుంది కదా! సో, అంటే కొద్దిగా ఇవాళ కొంచెం ఫాలో అవుతారు. రేపటి నుంచి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఇంకా. ఓకే. సో, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఆన్సర్స్? కీర్తన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఏ అండ్ బి, ఎం అండ్ ఏ? 8. ఓకే. 31, 23. Okay. So let us check. Few people online also have shared. Okay, 8, 31, 23. Okay. So let us run the code and check. Okay, 8, 31 and 23. So what we are doing here, we converted them into decimal to binary. So, and we performed the AND or an XOR, and then we have again reconverted them into decimal number. Okay. So, according to this image, whatever we have discussed, you have to do it. Okay. Inka ee process doubt unte class tarvata wait cheyandi, cheptanu personal ga. Okay. Yeah. So, now let us see one example on the relational operators also. Directly we can take one example. Right click on the package and say new and then what? Class. Okay, you can just take the example on relational. Any name you can take. Remember that class name should always start with capital letter. And then what? Main method we are taking. So here, let us take two variables, A, comma, B. And I am assigning the value of A to how much? 25. And B is equal to some 56. So I want to just write the relational operators. So what are the relational operators? Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to, not equal to, and we have triple equal to for comparison. Okay, so these all are what? Relational. Means they tell the relation between two variables. Ante rendu variables madhya relation like greater, lesser, greater than equal to na. Ilanti ivanni kuda manam greatest of through 2 numbers, 3 numbers, itlanti vaatilo use chestu untam. Whether both are equal or not. For the numeric equality, we use double equal to. Okay, if you are comparing the characters, group of characters, we have to use equals method. A method? Equals method. Value to compare chesi numeric value to matuku manam em use chestamo? Double equal to. So how to write this? Directly I can write system.out.println A greater than B. What will be the answer? It will result Boolean value. What it will result? Boolean. What does Boolean data type default value? False. Boolean is a data type which will store only either true or false. So when you're writing like this, if I directly write A greater than B is resulting what? False. If you want, you can choose one more variable, store into it, and then print. But we are writing directly what? A greater than B. Same way you can write system.out.println A less than B. Again, system.out.println A greater than equal to B. See, Java is case sensitive. When I write capital A, we are getting error. Small and capital are different. Every character will have what? ASCII code, correct. So we are writing like, so you have to use small a greater than equal to b. And again, system.out.println a less than equal to b. అంటే ఏ బి కన్నా గ్రేటర్ అవ్వచ్చు లేదా తక్కువైనా పర్వాలేదు లేదా లెస్ అవ్వచ్చు ఈక్వల్ అయినా పర్లేదు అట్లాంటప్పుడు మనం లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటాం ఓకే సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఏ స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాస్ టు పాస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ he should get 35 or more than that. At least if he gets 35 in all subject also, he's passed, no? So condition you will give as what? Greater than or equal to 35, like that. So now, like that, we can specify here, system.out.println A equal to B. So you can just check, like the same way, not equal to also, false, true. Again, greater than equal to false. Less than equal to true. Both are equal? False. If both are 25, then the result will be little different. You can see. Whenever equal symbol is there, it is giving what? True. Understood, everyone? These operators are called what? Relational operators. Same thing we used in our conditional operator also to check greatest of 2, 3 numbers also. Clear? Everyone about the operators? Arithmetic, assignment, relational, conditional, logical, and bitwise operators. Okay, clear everyone? Any one of the operator you want me to repeat? Okay, so here till now whatever data we are doing, we are directly assigning into the వేరియబుల్ మనం ఏవైతే వాల్యూస్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నామో నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్లో డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేస్తున్నాను ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 25 బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 25 బట్ నౌ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు రీడ్ ద డేటా ఫ్రమ్ కీబోర్డ్ లెట్ us say I want like system.out.println enter the a value అని అడిగినట్టు if you are applying real time application they will ask you right in the text box or something enter the value then only you will enter, right? Now ma'am, I don't want to directly assign. Every time I want to give what? New value. I don't want to go to the code and change the value. I want to read it from console or through the keyboard. Then how is that possible? There are many ways. 3, 4 ways are there. But most frequently and easiest way is using scanner class. What class? Scanner class. So we have discussed like any class in Java, if you have to use it, you have to import the package, correct? But to use the system class and few classes, we are not importing the package. Why? To use the system class, main method, we are using so many things in our program, but I did not import any package, no? What is the default package in Java? Lang. In last class we discussed. Default package is what? Lang. So Lang has so many predefined classes. So we are using them. అంటే మనం ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా యూజ్ చేసే క్లాసెస్ అన్నీ కూడా లాంగ్ లో డిఫైన్ అయి ఉన్నాయి అందుకని అది డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఇంపోర్ట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం ఇంపోర్ట్ చెయ్యకపోయినా వర్క్ అవుతున్నాయి ఓకే బట్ స్కానర్ ఈస్ ద క్లాస్ విచ్ ఈస్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ java.util package. Which package? Util package. So it is not there in lang. So if I have to use scanner class, I have to compulsory import what? Util package. Scanner class use cheyali ante kachitanga util package rayalsinde. Without that you cannot use the class. Till now we did not import any package. But to use this we have to import it. Clear? Now, to call any method in Java, we need object. Yes or no? For few methods, we don't require object. What are those methods? Static methods. That is the reason if you see in the example, main method is what? Static. మనం మెయిన్ ఎందుకు స్టాటిక్ రాస్తాము? బికాజ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి కాల్డ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ బై వాట్? క్లాస్ నేమ్. మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా రన్ చేస్తాం? నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ద్వారా చూసాం కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్ టు కంపైల్? javac file name dot java. We always tell the rule that class name should be always saved with క్యాపిటల్ అండ్ మెయిన్. ఇప్పుడు 2-3 క్లాసెస్ ఉంటే ఏ క్లాస్ లో అయితే మెయిన్ మెథడ్ ఉంటుందో ఆ నేమ్ తోనే సేవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ మెయిన్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ వాట్? ఫస్ట్, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిక్లేర్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్? స్టాటిక్. బట్ scanner class methods are not static. So to call the methods, I need to create what? Object. So object creation ఎలా చేస్తాం జావాలో? New keyword. We have seen in the last session while we discussed about default values of all data types. So we need to first create object of the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Any class you consider, if you want to create object, this is the line with new keyword, class name, object name, new keyword, and then what? Class name. And technically this process is called what? Instantiation. I already told. What is that called as? Instantiation. They'll use the term. Okay, how to instantiate? Then we should not think that is something different. Instantiation ante class ki object create cheyadam ante. So for predefined class, this is the statement. And here in the brackets, you have to write system dot in. Clear everyone? What you have to write? System dot in. And for every data type, we have a predefined method to read. Prati data type ki oka predefined method undi read cheyadaniki. Okay, what is that? For if you wanted to read a number, then you have to use object dot next int. Okay, if it is a integer, you have to read it as what? Next int. If you are declaring something float, salary is equal to sc dot next float. Float అయితే next float, double అయితే next double, boolean అయితే next boolean, next character. Same thing. So if you are declaring anything as double data type, double, like you are writing like bonus is equal to sc dot next double. Correct? Understood everyone? So itla prati method ki oka predefined method ఉంటుంది. ఈ SSC అనేది ఫిక్స్డ్ కాదు. మేడం స్కానర్ కాబట్టి SSC అనేది తీసుకోవాలంటే నథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏ వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నా ఆ వేరియబుల్. ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ మై నేమ్ లిఖిత ఆల్సో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ సేమ్ నేమ్, లిఖిత డాట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంట్, లిఖిత డాట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్లోట్, లిఖిత డాట్ నెక్స్ట్ డబుల్. అది జస్ట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్. కానీ ఈ మెథడ్స్ మాత్రం ఫిక్స్డ్. Next int, next float, next double. These methods are what? Fixed. Object name is your wish. We are creating ourselves. So to read the number, you have to use next int like this. Clear everyone? So these all methods are present in which class? Scanner class. Clear? So let us write one example and check. All of you. So let us right click on the package. Those who don't know Eclipse, just you can wait after the session. I'll tell you the process. And then class. And then I am writing like test scanner. Just any name you can give. And then what? Main method. Now I'm going to write the basic example. Int student ID. String what? Name. What is string? Is it data type? What is string? ఓకే. స్ట్రింగ్ అనేది డేటా టైపా కాదా? Class, correct. So we have 8 primitive data types. What are they? Byte, short, int, log, float, double, boolean, char. Okay, these are the 8 data types we have. మనం అన్ని data types మీద ఒక example కూడా చూసాము to fetch the default values. But string is a not data type. String is what? Class. And then you can also, yes, it's they are fixed, but not we cannot tell like non-primitive. That is not a data type first of all. Like arrays, function, these come under non-primitive category. Okay, yeah. Float, I'm just considering as what? Marks. I'm just taking 3 things. Now, how to read? First of all, give a message on the screen like enter student ID, name, and then what? Marks. మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇట్లా ఒక మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వాలి, లేకపోతే ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేశాక అసలు ఏం ఎంటర్ చేయాలో అర్థం కాదు. మనం ఒక అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్ చేసినా వాళ్ళు ఏం ఎంటర్ చేయాలనేది అక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, లేకపోతే మనకు అర్థం కాదు. ప్రోగ్రామ్లో ఎర్రర్ ఏం రాదు, కానీ మనకి యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఎప్పుడు ప్రాపర్గా ఉండాలి. మనం డెవలప్ చేసిన అప్లికేషన్ ఎవరైనా యూజ్ చేస్తారు, కోడింగ్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళే యూజ్ చేయరు కదా. మన ఫోన్లో యాప్ కానీ సిస్టంలో యాప్ కానీ మన పేరెంట్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు, ఎవరైనా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళకి వచ్చా అవన్నీ? లేదు, కోడింగ్ రాదు, అయినా యూజ్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకి యూజర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో ఎంటర్ ఐడి, నేమ్ అండ్ మార్క్స్. ఫర్ ఐడి I have to use sc dot next int. So first of all, I have to create object of the scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. In brackets, I'm writing what? System dot in. And then semicolon. But we are getting error. Why? Import చేయాలని చెప్పాను కదా. Scanner is not present in lang package. So I have to import here. Import java dot util dot, కావాలంటే స్కానర్ అని రాయొచ్చు, లేదా you can also give what? Star. Star indicates like everything. Whatever that is present in util package, you can use it. Clear? So now after that, I will be reading the data. ID is equal to sc dot next int. SID actually, variable name correct undali. And then what? Name. Name is equal to sc dot. That is not integer or character or float, no. So you will use the method as a next or next line. We have 2 methods, next or next line. So you can use this for reading name. Again, marks. What we have to use for the marks? sc dot next float. That's it to read. Then after that, to print, you have to write system.out.println, and you have to just mention like whatever variables you want to print, SID plus double quote space, and then what? Name plus double quote some space, and then what? Marks. In same line with some space, I'm printing. Okay, so let us save this. Okay, I have forgotten giving plus here. So let us save this and also bracket, I guess. And then run the example. Enter what? ID, name and marks. So I'm entering ID 101 and name I'm entering Siri, and then marks. Basic simple example. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి, నేమ్, మార్క్స్. ఇంకా మనం ఏమో ఆపరేషన్స్ కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేయట్లా. సో టిల్ నవర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ డన్, యూ కెన్ యాడ్ దిస్ లైన్ టు ఇట్. మనం వీ హ్యావ్ డన్ ఎడిషన్, ఇంక్రిమెంట్, డిక్రిమెంట్, all are these, right? So you can use this for the arithmetic operators. A, B values we have assigned. Instead of that, take a scanner class, ask enter A, B values and read them, whatever you want. Okay? Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear, everyone? Online students, is it clear, everyone? Okay, try to practice these programs. Okay, everyone, I will be continuing tomorrow. So రేపు ఒకసారి ఆపరేటర్స్ మొత్తం మీద ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేస్తాను. అదర్వైజ్ ఐ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్. ఓకే, యా. బిఫోర్ దట్ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వరి అవ్వద్దు, అందరిలో అడగాలని. ప్లస్ మీకు ఇదిగా ఉంటే ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్ కూడా అడగచ్చు. ఓకే, యా. వీల్ సి ఇంకా మనం ఫర్దర్ గా చేసే ప్రతి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో కూడా స్కానర్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. కండిషనల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్, లూపింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్, వీటన్నిటిలో కూడా మనం స్కానర్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. మీకు అలవాటు అవుతుంది ఏ డేటా టైప్ కి ఎట్లా రాయాలి అని. ఓకే, యా.